purchased the Roku Express 4K Plus, and I went downstairs, installed the TV, which is far away from the Wi-Fi router, installed it, and then after it did everything, I connected it to the internet. It said it had poor connection, but it was still connected. The problem is when I would go to an app like Netflix or Hulu or Prime or whatever, it would go to the logo and then immediately turn off and go back to the screen. And I literally did it 10 or 20 times. Then I took the TV with the Roku device upstairs close to the router, Wi-Fi router, and it did the same thing. So what happens is when you get a new device, but not always, when you get a new device, it will mess up the install of the apps, and you're just not getting a good software setup. So what you do is you need to restart and reboot your Roku device all over again. And right here on the back, there's a little button here where you can reset it like you did before. It's right here to the right of the power here. You just hold down the reset button on the back for like 3 to 5 seconds. It's going to reset everything, refresh, and then it'll take about 20 minutes to install. But what you need to do is you need to make sure that your TV is either, you want to make sure that your TV with the Roku device is close to the Wi-Fi network as humanly possible. And then that should fix your problem. All right, if you have any questions, make sure you put it in the comment section and make sure you subscribe. Thanks a lot.